In this video, I want to show you how to create an account with DeepSeek. Open a new tab on your browser and search for DeepSeek. Press Enter key on your keyboard. Click on this first link to open the home page of DeepSeek. When the home page opens, you can change the page language to Chinese just like this. Or you can leave the language in English if you want. You can download the DeepSeek application from here to your device. To create an account, which is the focus of this video, just click on Start Now. Due to large-scale malicious attack on DeepSeek services, registration may be busy. In that case, there is no need to worry, just try again later. For those who already have an account, just enter your details and log in. To create a new account, click on Sign Up. This will open a page where you will fill in your details. Enter your email address. Choose your password. Confirm your password. Click on Send Code, and a code will be sent to your email address. Verify that you are human to proceed. The code has been sent to the email address we provided. Let's check the inbox for the code. Here is the code, copy it. Paste the code here and check the term of use and privacy, then click on Sign Up. And that is it. You are now logged into DeepSeek. After logging into DeepSeek AI for the first time, explore features, customize settings, review tutorials, and connect with the community. In summary, this is how to create an account with DeepSeek. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching.